I'm happy to push back against the utter horseshit that is AI chief of staff. And I'm delighted and happy. Actually, people now tag me or they'll send DMs to me of here's a AI chief of staff. What do you think, Rachel? And they know what I think. And so I'm like, here we go. And I just type, and it's great. I have a lot of fun doing it.
I'm seeing a lot of these AI chief of staffs, and it breaks your heart because you think you've missed the point. Having that chief of staff with you is not about how well they're able to automate tasks. And you want those tasks to be automated. It's something completely different. There's this human intelligence aspect, there's this emotional acuity aspect that you need to have as a chief of staff to be able to operate effectively and see past the principal, work with the organization, and truly move things along. And if you leave it to a computer, garbage in, garbage out.
Because they go, oh, I tried a chief of staff. It was a nightmare, not doing that again. And then they go
Right.
to their network and say, actually, don't get a chief of staff. It's a waste of time. And I'm going to say the words that are going to trigger Rachel. Here's the prompt to make yourself an AI chief of staff.
Oh my
Yeah, so I got to tell you. So
God.
I've now turned it into a personal mission to convince every tech bro idiot that Laura Little helps me with this. So I've convinced I'm really working one tech bro at a time, but I actually go into their comments and say, you are out of your mind if you think that 7 prompts are a chief of staff. Let's be clear. I think, again, what I want to say is I'm not of the mind that AI couldn't get to a place where it's capable of that, but we are not there now. And so to call something a chief of staff with AI at the front of it, it's like it's an oxymoron. It's a complete fiction.
But as AI stands at the moment, no matter how good it is, it consistently has what I would call brain farts. It is only as good as what you are putting into it. And it cannot yet, it is working on probability and logic. It hasn't got that aspect of just randomness that humans have. It can probably get things right 85, 90% of the time.
Right.
But until AI has got that bit, which is probably the spark of life, to be honest with you, it's never going to replace some of these roles where, as I said, the seeing round corners, the being able to read
Right.
people, understand empathy is going to be there.
I just wanted to add one more thing, which is AI as it currently is situated generally agrees with you and makes you feel great. And that's why people are using AI instead of actually talking to their friends.
Mine
You say
doesn't
to
agree with
Claude,
me.
Claude, specific, I say to it, do not blow smoke up my ass. This is not, I'm not here to feel good. I want you to give me the right answer, right? And so I think actually, and the problem with a Claude version or a chat GPT that makes you feel good is that is fundamentally against the role that exists for chiefs of staff, which is you need to push back.